what's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing okay. So, Leo, this is gonna be your general love reading for the month of December 2025. So, this is a general love reading. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe para din po tayo ay updated sa ating mga bagong readings in the future related to your zodiac sign. Okay, so may mga cards na nag-flip, ex-lover, so baka this is about an ex, old flame, ganyan, courage, medyo may struggles or challenges ako nakikita. Okay, for December, ano ang love life po ni Leo for December? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs, reconciliation, rebuild. Okay, it's definitely a past flame. So baka merong gusto makapag-reconcile sa inyo. Intuition, inner knowing. Ano pa for December? Single parent, responsibilities. So, meron kayong mga responsibilities sa buhay, alone, you're not connected with a partner. However, maybe with the reconciliation card, medyo meron kasi siguro, I'm seeing some of you medyo maraming options sa love, Leo. So some of you could be really getting attention from other people, being wooed, or parang nililigawan ng maraming tao. That's what I see with the intuition, inner knowing. And also, with the intuition, inner knowing, I'm seeing here na maaaring you are assessing or parang ginagamit mo yung utak mo and yung guts, intuition, yun, sorry, gut feel, yan, gut feel, sorry, alas stress na ng madaling araw. Gut feel, nahabol ko lang talaga to, as to whether tama bang fit, tama bang option, yung isang tao para sa'yo. Okay? Okay. Let's see. Bottom of the deck ko pala, new love. So, some of you could have new love by December. Okay. Bagong relationship, bagong connection. Okay. So, let's see. In December 2025, sino po ang kakonect ni Leo? Sino po ang kakonect ni Leo? Uy, Seven of Swords. Someone deceptive. Someone who's prone to cheating, lying, deceiving, or someone who has deceived you in the past. Okay. Could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Sinong kakonect ni Leo for the month of December? About say January, so maybe January significant. Hi, Priestess. So, maaaring naglihim talaga tong tao na to sa'yo. Could also be a Pisces. Maaaring may tinago tong person na to sa'yo ng sadya nang hindi mo kala nila they can get away from it, pero nalaman mo rin naman na niloko ka ng tao na to or niloloko ka ng tao na to. Okay? Some of you could be dealing with a Gemini. Maybe ang tinago nila is about a partnership. Leo. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, the Queen of Pentacles definitely a single mom. So some of you could be a single mom. Some of you are forced to face responsibilities on your own. Face the world on your own. Burdened with responsibilities on your own. Dahil possible sa isang third party situation na dapat hindi nyo naman kinakaharap. What happened in the past talaga? Three of Swords. So some of you na broken-hearted or na-broke yung heart nyo because of a possible deception nga. Third parties, ganyan, no? A third party could have ended your relationship with someone. Eight of Cups, some of you walked away from a situation nga. Okay, nag-walk away kayo kasi nga, hindi na fulfilling a situation eh. May lies kasi and deception eh. And Justice card could be a Libra. Some of you could be married with that person. and feeling na parang imbalance ang lahat or parang may injustice na nangyayari related to that situation. Pero feeling ko nag-move on ka. Okay? Or nag-move on ka na ngayon. Leo, I'm seeing as well na possible din na you're trying to move on from a situation na medyo chaotic, magulo, may turmoils, may challenges to 6, maaaring mutual give and take with someone else na. Okay? Maaaring meron ka ng ibang dinidate or ina-entertain. Ano ang nararamdaman ng person na kakonect ni Leo ngayon sa kanila? The World card. So, parang feeling nila dead end na kayo or ended na yung relationship nyo or yung connection nyo dahil sa ginawa nilang kabulastugan in the past. Or, yun nga, deception, addictions, kasi codependent, okay? Maaaring feeling nila nakamove on na kayo, yung pain na binigay nila sa inyo in the past is something na, kumbaga is reason for you to give up and parang wala na talaga. Parang hindi na mababalance pa. 10 of Wands, parang sa nakikita ko dito, this person is trying to walk away as well. Okay? And from you, okay, pilit na nilang dinadala lahat ng mga passion nila, iniisip nilang gawin pa from you, towards you, towards their self na lang. So, parang, inano na lang nila, hindi na lang nila itutuloy. Is parang yun yung nasa isip ng person na to. Kasi parang nakikita ko nasa isip ng person na to, could be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a fire sign as well, Aries, Leo, or such, is baka meron ka ng iba. Okay. Anong aasahan na actions ni Leo dun sa person na yon? Anong maasahan na actions ni Leo mula sa person na yon? Ace of Swords. So, yung person na yan, gusto niya ng communication talaga. Okay? Pero nakita ko mag-hold back siya from communicating. What's the Ace of Swords? Okay, Six of Wands. 10 of Cups. Okay, let me see. I don't know kung parang ipaparating na lang ng tao na to sa ibang tao. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Yung gusto nilang ipasabi sa inyo. Baka sisipat-sipating ka na lang nito sa social media, gano'n. Or paano ikibalita na lang to sa'yo, lalo kung may kakalala to sa bahay niyo. Okay, what is the Ace of Swords? The Emperor card and the Emperor card and the Magician card. So parang mawawalan sila ng control is what I see about the situation. Kasi parang feeling ano na to eh, hopeless na. Some of them nag-move on na sa ibang connection. And parang feeling nila na talaga na wala na kayo. Yeah, kahit gusto pa niya mag-offer, parang feeling nila wala na. Okay, or hindi mo lang naman tatanggapin with the 5 of Cups or magkakaroon lang ng conflict, ganyan, pag nag-offer pa sila. Ano ang potential outcome nito for the month? Tama ba na tanong ko na? Pero ulitin na lang natin. Basta potential outcome for the month is the King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. These are court cards. There could be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na connected sa Leo. Kasi parang feeling ko ikaw to. Hierophant. Could be Taurus. Yeah, this is a different person. So, maaring there could be a significant Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, someone loyal, Someone faithful, ang love language niya is receiving gifts or giving gifts. Okay? Very maalaga when it comes to tangible or material things. Ang maging connected sa'yo or magkaroon ka ng commitment by the month of December. Okay? Magiging traditional relationship ito or traditional, I'm hearing marriage. So some of you may settle down with this person. Commitment, ganyan. Traditional marriage, commitment. Because this person sees you as a very beautiful person. They see you as a very worth of investment. Okay? And although parang medyo nag-aalangan ka pa ata dito, kay Leo, no? So nakikita ko paling end all be all mo na tong person na to. Okay? Talagang may happiness ako nakikita dito and stability with this person. This person will be very masculine as well. Like parang nagpapakalala siya. Okay? Advice para kay Leo. Hermit card. So, regarding dun sa past person mo, no? Regarding dun sa past person mo na nag-feel ang relationship mo dun, we need to kinda like, what is the Four of Pentacles? What is the Four of Pentacles here? Three of Wands. What is the Page of Cups? King of Swords. So, parang huwag ka nang pauto dito sa person na to sa past mo, Leo. Kasi parang feeling ko, connected pa rin to sa third party eh. Meron pa rin third party to. It's like, try your best. Kahit meron kayong pinagsamahan nito, kahit almost tumira na kayo sa isang bahay, or kahit tumira na kayo sa isang bahay, na huwag ka nang maniwala doon sa person na yan kasi baka dalhin ka niya ulit doon sa situation na may third party, or hindi niya rin naman ma-fulfill yung ipapromise niya sa'yo kasi nga, may pagka, pa rin siya third party pa rin, 3-3 is a crowd, so, baka may third party pa rin to, okay? So, hold back na lang daw dun sa energy na yun, okay? There is a more promising relationship that's waiting ahead of you, and feeling ko dun yung sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn na yun. Okay, baka last na to for now, baka mag-collapse na ako. Sana si Virgo hanggang kay Pisces, next day na lang. Versus susunod na lang. Messages for someone else. There's really someone else. Okay, someone is in the middle, someone's trying to sabotage this. So, maaari talaga nagkaroon ka ng third party situation, dinala ka sa third party situation with someone. Moving, change of residence, moving in with your partner. So, sometimes moving, nakikita ko rin siya as a chariot card, moving on or moving forward. There's new love for you is what I see talaga. Ay, so happy for you, Leo. Mercury retrograde and air sign. Electronic issues, communication issues, review everything. There could be a possible air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius na significant for you. Health issues could arise. Just watch out for your health as well, especially sa heart. Some of you may nangyari na Mercury retrograde. Okay. Maaaring naka-move on ka, maaaring ng Mercury retrograde. Maaaring nung nakaraang Mercury retrograde ka, nag-start na talaga is-summon yung energy mo back to yourself nung November 1 to 29. Itong November. Okay, so yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching guys. Bye!